In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to ClickUp with Zapier. By the end, you'll have the foundation for an automation that turns each new form response into a task in ClickUp, saving you time and keeping your workflows organized. First, open your browser and go to Zapier.com. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, create a free one. It only takes a moment, and the free plan is perfect for setting up basic automations. Once you're in, we'll build what Zapier calls a Zap, which is simply a trigger and an action working together. From your Zapier dashboard, click Create Zap. We'll start by choosing the Trigger app. In the search bar, type Google Forms and select it. For the trigger event, choose New Response in Spreadsheet. This option is key because Google Forms actually writes its responses into a connected Google Sheets spreadsheet. By watching the sheet, Zapier can reliably detect every new submission. If your form isn't yet linked to a sheet, open your form in Google Forms and confirm that a response destination has been set, usually a sheet titled with your form's name. Next, connect your Google account. Click Choose Account and sign into your Google profile that owns or has access to the responses sheet. When prompted, approve the permissions so Zapier can read the spreadsheet. Then, from the drop-down, select the specific Google Sheet that stores your form responses. You'll also choose the worksheet within that file, often named Form Responses 1 by default. If you have multiple tabs, be sure to pick the one that actually receives new entries. Taking a moment to confirm this now prevents confusion later. With the trigger ready, add the action. Click the plus sign to add action and search for ClickUp. Select it, then pick Create Task as the action event. This tells Zapier to make a new task in ClickUp each time your sheet gets a fresh row from a form submission. Now connect your ClickUp account. Sign in when prompted and authorize Zapier so it can create tasks on your behalf. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double-check that you're connecting the correct one where you want the tasks to live. At this stage, you've set the core pieces, Google Forms as the trigger, and ClickUp's Create Task as the action, with both accounts securely connected. You're ready to continue configuring details like which list to use and how fields should appear, and then you can run a quick test and turn your Zap on when you're satisfied.